Alright guys, we're back today with the video. We're going to be putting on our radiator cap here, this, and these bolts. So, come on. We're going to start out by, I'm going to probably do like all the main bolts or whatever. So, let me get my, impact here. Oh, I'm talking to the camera. You can have to move that. We're going to put one in that headlight hole right there. Let me actually see if they fit before I go taking all my stuff loose. You take it all loose and it don't fit, right? Okay. See if that fits in there. Screws in fine. I think I have an Allen key too for that. Yeah, perfect. The next one is going to be right here. Lovely assistant. We're going to put that in your pocket. Guys, I got an Allen key that'll fit these. But if I don't, I can make improvise. I probably have some in the cord right there. Actually, those work. Now, do I want to put that in the impact and tighten it? That's the question. Oh gosh, it's taking impact. Jesus. No. Okay, here we go. Now, let's see. Look at that, guys. Look at there. That looks good. Now we're gonna do this one. This impact is a little mean. Look at that, y'all. Oh, bro. We dropped that, but it's all good. Those look good, y'all. Okay, come here, baby. Don't loosen already. Hold the impact. Yeah. Okay, come on. We're gonna put you. Actually, do this one. Do that one. Go, go. Yeah. Yeah. Now, lift it up. Good job. Fist bump me. Yeah. Alright. Alright. So, got that one off, guys. I might be going a little bit overboard with these, but I really don't care. I like it. That's all that matters. Actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go tighten these at the end. I'm going to just take out the ones I don't want to. That one, this one's going. I need a battery to tie down. This one's going. Okay, that's a few. Now, guys, we come to our little bag here. We're gonna toss out a few. Where'd I have it? Right here. Yeah, there. One right here. So, T-bracket piece on these cars, I've heard is a problem. There we go. Let me get another one. Missed that whole cup. Let's get this one last. Got that one. Let's get this last one. There. I think it broke the bracket of them, but then we need one for the headlight. We're gonna let assistant here put the headlight one in. Switch cameras with me. You take the go. Here. Put that in the hole. Got the assistant. Yeah. You gonna grab the impact? So tighten it, make sure it's in there. It was about to keep going. It was tight. But we got them in. What else? What other one should I do? Point me out some, and I do them. The fender ones. All right, let's go to the fender one. How to point at the fender. Oh, that's. Seemed like it was stripped out. Okay. Let me get another one here, guys. Little bag is running a little bit shy, but we should have enough to finish up and then have some extras too. Okay. Try to get that to go in that hole. The hole's kind of wonky, so. Alright, let's get this one up here. That one has a rusty in there. Okay. You want to tighten these too, or you good? You want to tighten? All right. Let me get this thing loose. You can do that. Okay. You gonna hold the camera and tighten at the same time, or tell me to do the person? Yeah, that's good. Okay. Yeah, you can get that one. It's already on tightening. You cut your finger?
I told you they put it at the office.
When it gets to the bottom, just yep. When you get that sound, just stop. Good job, bro. All right, let's do the other ones on the other side. That same way, y'all. We're gonna put the hood over. Okay, Miss Speedy, here. Y'all need to take them loose. It's on loosen already. Them bolts, I don't really care what you do with them. You can throw them. Yeah, go. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's loose. Go to the next one. Good job. This dude really got here so hold up. Okay. Get this piece in there. We need how many? 2 bolts, right? Of course, I would drop one. Yeah, yo, they look good, honestly. I like them. That one in there. System's already ready to tighten the hell out of the boat. Hold up, let me get it started. There, I'm just getting them started for you. Put that little part to get started. You can tie it away. Yep. Take it all. Wobble it out and pull it. There you go. That's how it looks. That's neat. And we still got leftovers. I also dropped some. I'm not gonna worry about it since I dropped it, but what else are we gonna do, baby? I forgot. Is there any other bolts that we can do? This girl ready to take something loose, huh? Let me here. Switch. Team. Okay. You find something else to take it loose? Just bracket. Ew, there's so much dirt on that thing. We can take off that. What else? We got another one. I'll put this in this hole right here. Yeah. That in there. Oh, I put that bit in my pocket. I was trying to find it. I could get them too. The hood hinges. That's what I might do next. Oh. There's that in there. I'm putting these shit everywhere. Literally. Okay guys, we got like 4 more of these left. Not too sure on where I want to put them. Not too sure on where I want to put them. I tried to ask my assistant, but I didn't get no feedback. So, I'm gonna probably put these in random spots, to be honest. Like the hood here. I'm gonna put them in there. Yeah, they go perfect in the hood. That works. I should need 4 for the hood. Oh no, we had an accident. Okay, let's do that. What? I don't think the hood was supposed to take them, y'all. But, you know, impact go blah, blah, and it's just gonna go wherever it goes. Let's do this top one. Maybe it's not stripped out like the bottom is. Do I got any silver? Whoa, we took off a lot of bolts. Oh my. I got red things in my pocket too. Boom. Okay, let me tighten this up, guys. Then we'll go do the other side. Then we'll move on to other stuff we have. Sometimes this thing likes to get stuck in here. Okay. Bingo, bingo, bingo. You get 2 of these and 2 screws. 1 screw and 2. Okay, let me put this back in the bag. That's a good bolt. Alright, let's go to this side of the boat. These last 2, and this will be all I'm doing. Valve stem cap. Alright, guys. What else hot? Yeah, you touched the radiator, I'm pretty sure. Hold this, pretty assistant. Thank you. Alright, guys, let's get this one. This one. Let's get us a bolt. Oh, I got another bolt in here too. Got these things everywhere, so let's put them in there. Oh no. Let me get that tightened up. These go in smoothly. Thank you, baby. Does this sound like ass? Oh, that's a school bus. I think it was a car. Okay, guys. I'm not even using a Allen key, but that's what I'm using. And it's working, so I ain't complaining. Let's get this off. That wasn't even tight. I don't know if I should be scared about that. Yeah, I'm not worried about that. Let me see. We need a bolt. Oh, it's in my pocket. We need a bolt and a screw, which I have. Like this. Boom. That's what it looks like, y'all. Put that in there. And we're going to take our little bit we had. Swap that back in here. That right here. In there. Just tightening it. Should go.